Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aina Fatini binti Muhammad Nur Hisham. My number matric is 19 DPM 23 F2024 and my class is DPM 4A. Okay, my concept of industrial relation refer to the relationship between employees, employers and the government. Fair and productive working environment involve how about practice negotiation and communication and resolve conflict relate to wages safely and working conditions. Okay. Question 2 is explain the structure and function of the traffic system in Malaysia industrial relation. Okay. My answer is the traffic system in Malaysia industrial relationship refer to the three-way relationship between the government, employers and employee, government and managing maintain human labor relation. Okay. Okay, three main verb and what are their specific roles. The government, employers and employees.
My name is Fitina Zambi Ayuhan. My matric number is 90-23F 2003. I will answer the question about 5 roles of trade unions in protecting the interests of workers as in the case above. First, protecting workers' rights and welfare. Trade unions safeguard worker basic rights such as minimum wage, leave, and workplace safety. They act on behalf of workers when employees violate labor laws or treat employees unfairly. Example, the National Union of Bank Employees NUBE protects bank workers who are unfairly dismissed without notice. Second one, conducting collective bargaining. Trade union represents employees during negotiation with employers regarding salaries, allowance, and other employment benefits. Collective bargaining ensure the workers' voice are heard and agreements are made fairly. Example, the National Union of the Teaching Profession NUTP negotiates with the Ministry of Education for better allowance for teachers in rural areas. The third one, preventing oppressions and discrimination. Unions defend members who experience unfair treatment, such as gender or racial discrimination or unjust termination. They provide legal and moral support to ensure the justice for the affected workers. For example, a pregnant worker who is dismissed unfairly can seek help from her trade union through the Industrial Relations Department. The next one is providing legal aid and advice. The unions offer legal assistance and professional advice to members who face disciplinary action or termination. They ensure that workers understand their rights and the proper legal process. Example is the Malaysia Trade Union Congress, MTUC, assists members in filing a case at the Industrial Court. The last one is improving member welfare and development. Union organize training, safety workshop, and welfare programs to enhance members' skill and well-being. These activities help workers improve their career prospects and promote teamwork. For example, a trade union may hold workplace safety seminars for factory employees. That's all. Question 4 is, give 4 main reasons why workers choose to join the trade union. My first one is job protection and security. Workers join unions to gain protection from unfair dismissal, discrimination, and exploitation by employers. Union membership ensure that workers have support and representation when problems arise. For example, a factory worker who is dismissed without proper notice can get legal help and compensation through the union. The second one is to demand the better wage and benefits. Workers believe that collective strengths allow them to negotiate for higher pay, bonus, and other benefits. Unions make it easier for employees to represent their demands as a group, not as individuals. Example, port workers, union negotiate for fair overtime pay and improve allowance. The third one, to improve working conditions, unions push employers to provide safe, clean, and healthy workplace. They advocate for safety equipment, proper rest time, and basic facilities for employees. For example, a union in an electronic factory may demand better ventilation and protective gear for workers. The last one, to build unity and collective strength among workers. Unions unite workers under one organization, giving them courage and collective voice. These teamworks help ensure fair treatment and prevents isolation amongst employees. Example, during peaceful protests or strikes, unions or coordinated workers action legally and effectively. That's all.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Ain Kamila binti Harun. My normal metric is 90 DPM 23F 2022. If I were an officer from Ministry of Human Resource, several solutions can be taken to balance the interests of worker and employers. Firstly, mediation and dialogue should be promoted to encourage open communication and mutual understanding between both parties, helping to prevent conflict and maintain industrial harmony. Secondly, implementing a productivity-based wage system ensure fairness, as employees are reward based on performance, while employer benefit from increased productivity. Thirdly, strict labor law enforcement is essential to ensure compliance with acts like the Industrial Relations Act 1967, protecting worker rights and ensuring employer follow proper regulation. Next, training and awareness program can educate both employer and employees about their right, responsibility, and the importance of good industrial relation. Lastly, establishing an effective grievance handling mechanism allow employees to voice concerns safely and ensure issues are resolved fairly, fostering trust and a positive work environment. Thank you. Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Azim Kamila binti Harun. My normal metric is 90 DPM 23F 2022. In my view, there are several challenges of industrial relation in Malaysia today. Firstly, global competition pressure employers to cut costs and limit salary increase, creating tension between workers seeking fair pay and companies trying to remain positive. Secondly, technological change such as automation have reduced the need for manual labor, causing job insecurity among workers and the needs for retaining program. Thirdly, weak union membership has made it difficult for workers to negotiate better wage and protect their right, as fewer employees join or support union, right? Okay. Next, dispute relation delay often occur due to lengthy legal process, which can prolong conflicts and reduce workplace morale. Lastly, workplace diversity present challenge in managing employees from different culture and religion background, requiring employees to promote fairness, inclusion, and mutual respect to maintain harmony in the what?